Hello, sir. Hello. Yeah, I think you are mute.
Hi guys, good evening.
Hi, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah. Right. So let's try to move it, guys. What is the collection framework? Everyone knows. Sorry. What is array? What is the advantages? I hope you know very well. Right. Yeah. Array represents elements. Each and every element will be represented index value. Array representing a similar type of element. Each and every element will be represented based on index value. Array size is fixed. So if you observe that, what are the drawbacks? So once you know the drawbacks, then only we can understand the things, right? Uh, what are the drawbacks? Array size is fixed. Right. Array size is fixed. Next, it occupies, array does not have any predefined methods. It's not support a predefined methods. Array, it's not support. It's not support a predefined methods. Array is not provided. Array is not provided. Array is not provided predefined methods. It occupies a lot of memory. It occupies a lot of memory. So assume that and one more point is heterogeneous objects are not allowed. Objects are not allowed. Remember this point. So what are the problems you are facing with the array? To avoid these problems, to achieve these problems, Sun Microsystem introduced collection framework. Collection framework. Collection framework. Collection framework provides predefined classes, and predefined interfaces. Collection framework provides a predefined classes and predefined interfaces. So, and and one more thing is collection framework growable size. The size is not fixed here, and predefined method support will be provided. Size is not fixed. Size is not fixed. Next one is size is not fixed, and one more thing is it allows heterogeneous data elements. It allows heterogeneous data elements. Next, third one. It occupies less memory. It occupies less memory, sir. A lot of memory, okay. It occupies less memory. And fourth point is predefined method support is available. Predefined support is predefined method support is available. Predefined method support is available. Predefined method support is available. Look at now. Let me try to speak about it. Collection interface. Collection interface. Collection is the interface. Now, and collection interface, iterable interface. Collection interface extending iterable. Collection interface extending iterable. Right? Next. Then one more thing is you should be understand one point is then collection interface having three child interfaces. One is list, and queue. Observe that, guys. Now, list is interface. Set is also one interface. I'll talk only list, guys, today. Tomorrow, I'll try to focus with the examples. List is the interface. Set interface. Set interface. What is the list interface? If you ask anyone question, what is the answer? You can try to. First of all, what is the collection interface? See, collection interface represent a group of elements. Each select collection interface represent a group of individual object, a single group of single element. So representing a group of individual object spelling mistake, object a single element. One more time. Representing a group of individual objects, a group of individual object, a single element is called as collection interface. Simple. So if you ask anyone question, collection, what is the list interface? Same answer you can try to provide. List interface representing a group of individual object, a single element, and next extend the points. It allows a duplicate element. Otherwise, I can say that it allows heterogeneous objects. It can hold heterogeneous object. Next, it's allow duplicate elements. It allows duplicate elements. Now it can hold heterogeneous objects. It allow duplicate elements. Yes. And one more thing is insertion order is preserved. Each and every element will be represented. I can say insertion order is preserved. What is meaning of this? Every element will be represented index value. It is meaning is it clear? So this is the point, sir. Now list interface array list. Next. Focus only array list here. Linked list. Vector. I'm not talking about set and queue today. Just I'm focusing interview point of questions, guys. Tomorrow I'll do the practically, okay? Now, so array list implementing like this. Now, so array list. So array list, if you ask anyone question here, friends, what is array list? If you ask anyone question, you can give the answer like this. Array list representing a group of individual elements. It can it allows the duplicate element. Insertion order is preserved. It can hold heterogeneous objects. Null insertion is and one more thing is data structure. Data structure is growable array. What is the data structure growable array? Null insertion is possible. Null insertion is possible. What is that? Data structure is growable array. Null insertion is possible. Try to understand. Null insertion is possible. Null insertion is possible. Data structure is growable array. Null insertion is data structure is growable array. Null insertion is possible. Okay, then you can try to say it allows all methods are non-synchronized here. All methods are non-synchronized. All methods are non-synchronized. Data structure is growable array. Null insertion is possible. All methods are non-synchronized. And one more point should we understand. What is the use? What is the use of this project? What is the use of ArrayList? Retrievable operations. ArrayList and vector implement. ArrayList and vector implement random access interface. Random. ArrayList and vector implement random access interface. ArrayList and vector implementing random access interface, so that when we are retrieving the elements, ArrayList is very much suitable, friends. Remember this point. Is it clear now? I hope you got ArrayList when we can try to use it, sir. Yes. Come on, guys. I hope you understand.
Yes.
Super. Now, sir, you are trying to say that representing group of elements, how we can represent them? Sir, what are the methods and everything we'll discuss in the next session. Look at now 100, 200, 300, 400. Assume that heterogeneous. I'm giving like this. Yes, you can. ArrayList even, I told you very clearly the data structure is array. Contiguous memory, sir. Continuous memory it meaning is. Now, each and every element will one. Are you clear? Right, ArrayList and vector implementing random access interface. For example, if I want to get the data, first zeroth element, once if I want to get the data, the first element, assume that if it takes the 1 second time, if for example, when you're retrieving, in the moment if it takes 1 second time, even 1 lakh record also, it takes the same speed here, 1 second time only. We are not required to worry about it. There's the even middle of the record also we can try to get the same amount of the speed. So that is called data structure array. Are you clear now? Yes, how it works? I hope you understand internally. Guys, is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Right. What about linked list? The techniques are interview point of view. These points, if you remember, that's enough, guys. I'll give you the PDF file. Tomorrow I'll share the PDF file. Just interview purpose. Okay. Then linked list. This is an important concept, guys. 100% interviews, even 5 years, 4 years also, the people asking the interview questions. Okay. Scenarios where we have to use in all these things, I will discuss in the moving forward. Just a given retrieval. It means that whenever you are retrieving in the moment, we prefer to use it. I'll show you the practically. Now, linked list. If you ask anyone, linked list representing a group of individual objects array list, linked list representing a group of individual element. Linked list representing a group of individual element. Each and every element will be index value. Null insertion is possible. What is that? Null insertion is possible. One more time. Array list representing. What about linked list? Linked list representing a group of individual objects. Linked list representing a group of individual objects. And null insertion is possible. Heterogeneous objects are allowed. And what only one difference, sir? Data structure, sir. Data structure is double linked list. Remaining all points are same. Linked list. All points are same. Think about just you can say blindly all the points. Only direction is different. The next one is what do they use when we try to prefer to use linked list? Insertion or deletion. You can use linked list. What is the use of this one? Insertion or deletion can prefer. Insertion or deletion can prefer. Insertion or deletion can prefer. Insertion or deletion. Insertion or deletion can prefer. All points are same. Data structure is double linked list. All points are same. Use is insertion or deletion can prefer. Data is double linked list. All points are same. Use is insertion or deletion can prefer. Insertion or deletion. When you are inserting, when we are deleting, in the moment, we can prefer to use linked list. Are you clear? Yes or no? When we are inserting, deletion can be preferred. So double linked list, it means that what is the data structure, Shiva, how it will be there? So for example, assume that I have 5 elements are there. Then every element will be stored as a node. Sir, is a fixed, sir. This is a simple technique, interview point of it. Application, what is there? Nothing is there, sir. Tomorrow I'll spend 1.5 hour, guys. Plan tomorrow, this entire the week, coming week, tomorrow onwards, 1.5 hour we'll spend. We'll close today, this week, core Java. Yeah. Now, so 100. Next week I'll start advanced. 200. 300. 400 like this. Look at now. So here, observe that previous node address will be represented like this. Previous node address will be preferred linked like this. Previous node address will be stored here. So these are 0th index, first index, second index, third index like this. So for example, first index, if you want to add the element, first index, if you want to add the element, so 0 first. So only we can cut the link here. We'll try to remove the link here. And what value you want to insert, you can insert bonds. That's it. This is a small technique. Is it clear? Even what are the element you want, because heterogeneous objects are allowed, right? Then you can store like this so that it will not disturb remaining nodes. It will not disturb in the movement a remaining nodes, right? So this is the data structure. This data structure will be followed by linked list. This is a data structure. It will be followed by the linked list. I hope is it clear? Right, sir?
Yes, sir.
Now, so if you ask anyone question, these are the answers you can try to say that. What about vector? All points are same. All points are same. It means that every point what you mentioned ArrayList, yes, you can try to say confidently, sir. Along with the register, all points are same. Only one point. What is the point? All methods are synchronized methods. All methods are synchronized methods. All methods are synchronized methods. All points are same. All methods are synchronized method. All points are same. All methods are synchronized method. All methods are synchronized methods. Right? So if you ask anyone question, what one more question maybe can raise here. What is the difference between synchronized and non-synchronized? Right or not? Here, one more question raises in our mind. What is the difference between synchronized and non-synchronized? Method can allow one method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Right now, stand. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. So what here now? Method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. So method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Right? Method can allow more than one request at a time. Is it clear? Yes, Shiva. Method can allow more than one request at a time. Method can allow more than one request at a time. So, by default, in the moment method we can try to call as a non-synchronized methods here. That's it. Look at now. This is the method. This method, whenever you are trying to accessing request thread 1, thread 2, then that these two threads, that these two persons giving a request, then T1 and T2. Then method is allowing more than one request at a time. So what will happen? So sensitive operations when you are performing really is not preferable approach. But if you're using a synchronized keyword along with a method, method cannot allow more than one request at a time, sir. No doubt about it. Method cannot allow more than one request at a time. So one request, if it completed, then one more request it will allow T1 like this. Once the request is completed, then only it will allow one more request. This is called synchronized methods. Generally, sensitive operations when you are performing in the moment, we prefer to use this one, guys. Are you clear now, please? Anyone? Yes or no? Guys, are you clear? I hope is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Super. So this is the point. Synchronize, and for example, what is the situation, Shiva? Array Baba mobile application, gaming application, we can try to use synchronize. For example, you are booking like every time when you travel. I hope you book that reservation tickets here. The tickets when you are booking, and definitely the problem when once you book the tickets, then what will happen? Then definitely, for example, you are booking and myself I'm booking ticket, yeah, the same flight. Then maybe if I apply there in the reservation of the seats, reservation of the train seat, reservation of the movie tickets, in that moment definitely we try to use synchronize only. Because once the request is completed, one person request is completed, then only it will allow one more person request. Otherwise, it will never allow, guys. Are you clear? Please. I hope is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
That's it. Method can allow more than one request at a time. So that is the situation we try to prefer to use. Movies here, if you look at the movies, like one heroine is coming and hero is coming. In between, the rain is coming. Then how is possible? So these all are like a synchronization. So okay, look at guys. Then this is the questions have a chance to come in the interviews, guys. Seriously, array list and vector or linked list. So these are the points. If you highlighted, more than enough, guys. I can say very confidently, yes, is a more than enough. I hope is it clear, everyone. Any questions? Let me know then.
Well, in case of vector, is the data structure double linked list or growable array?
Hey, I told you, right? All points are same like array list.
Okay, nice. Thank you.
The simple technique here, if you remember 5 points, the points you can apply to all other data structures. Got it?
But when we are using these things, do we need to know the data structure? Is it important when we are using that? Them?
Which one?
All of these like array list, linked list, vector.
I told you, right? Array is a predefined one. Yeah, already the people is designed given to us. It's like not like a C++. In Java, the people is designed. Array list is designed. Array it means a contiguous memory.
I understood it, but I'm saying like when we are using them, like tomorrow you're gonna teach us how to use them. Is it
Yeah,
very
definitely.
important to know
Yeah. We
know
will
the
use, sir.
data structure?
We will use.
Okay.
Next 4 days, we'll work with collection framework only, not one day. 4 sessions it
Okay.
takes. Not complete, yeah. Still, we have to learn methods. Just, I mean, interview point of it, I covered, focused it, how to give the answer. That's it. Still, we have to discuss a lot of things here. Still, we are in the only list only. And list, what are the methods are there? And we have to know that. And after that, we have to see the examples of listed structure. And then I'll go for what is generics. Then once I'll tell you the what I'm going to discuss. First, I'll focus the list implementation class examples, methods, then examples, then generics. Once we understand the generics, we will design, we will develop one application, one use case, and we'll go for set. That I'll take a little bit more time. I'll complete one day itself, 1.5 days. That's enough. Set. Then tomorrow I'll complete all these things here. Set. After set, we'll understand the concept of the set. Then we'll see the examples, each and one example at least. Then we'll go for map. In map, then we will see that this one queue and stack examples. And only will come out of it. Got you? Then only we'll enter in the Java new features. Once we complete all these four sessions, at least it takes 3 to 4 sessions. Next 3 or 4. Right, understand guys? Yeah, next. Now, let me try to speak about, okay, sir, one thing. Collection, I hope you understand how to give the answer, all these things, very good. The collection interface having some predefined methods here. Collection interface having some predefined methods. Okay, what are the methods you're having, Shiva? Add method. You're adding objects. Object means that any type of element you can try to add. Maybe any type of element you can try to add it. Okay. Now add all. Any other collection also you can try to add it. Meaning is right. Remove. Right. Remove. Remove. Next one. Iterate. So this iterate method is generally available iterable interface, sir. Iterate. Iterator. Iterator return type is list iterator. Iterator interface. I'll talk. Like so, okay. Some of the methods are there. We'll see that. I'll give the PDF file. So these methods, no doubt, is available. Which interface? List interface is available, right? Set interface also we can use it. Even queue also we can use these methods. Agree with me or not, guys? Yes or no? Yes, Shiva. List interface provides some more list interface providing predefined some more predefined methods here. What are the methods? Look at now. Here add. Oh, add already is available, right? So collection interface. Why again list is providing index? Based on the index, also we can try to add the element, meaning is int index. So index. It means that based on the index, also we can try to add the object. Got you, ma'am? Like this. Remove remove. So I can say index. So you can try to specify the index and you can try to remove it. Remove all element, retains all, retain all. Remove all elements, remove elements. Like this, we're having, and one more thing is iterator, list iterator. This is list iterator. I'll talk about, sir. What about these things? List iterator. Are you clear? Yes or no, guys? So like this, we are providing some predefined methods. Here, one more method, sir, I recollected now, to array method. So it will be converted as an array format. You'll see that. Shiva, now I have some methods in the collection interface. These collection interface methods also is available in the list. List and collection is available in the array. We can use array list. Even you can use linked list. Even you can use vector also. And one interesting thing is, friends, you never believe it. ArrayList, we don't have any methods. ArrayList does not have any predefined methods. Note. No methods, no predefined methods. What is the initial capacity, guys? Initial capacity 10. Yes, initial capacity is 10. Then once it reaches to capacity, current capacity plus 3 by 2, like there is a way it will be included, sir. So let me try to show that designing ArrayList example. Okay. So all these things generally we try to use, sir. A new class. Collection framework. Now array list, right? So what I can do that? Okay, array list demo. Now array list al new array list. Add. See now I told you, right? Add. So heterogeneous objects are allowed, sir. Points, all points just you can use, sir, so that you can understand, you can use or not. Problem we'll discuss later. First of all, the features, let's enjoy them. Null insertion is possible, right? So it allows the duplicate elements. Yes. Now, so again, now I want to print, guys. AL, right? Now let's try to run it. See now, 100 Shiva null 100 Shiva null 100. Hundred Shiva null and 100. Got it? So duplicate elements are allowing, heterogeneous objects, null insertion is possible, ArrayList like this. Sir, this is representing like, see now, group of individual object, a single entity. Sir, I want to get the data. So we have one method name is called get method, index. And what will happen? Get method return type is what? Object. What is the get method return type is? Object. We don't know what element is trying to returning, so that get method return type is the people is provided like object. Next, sir, if you want, you can try to add index value. List interface provide this method here. First index, I want to add 500. So then what will happen? Please tell me, guys, please, what will happen in this case? After 100, then value will be added 500. First index, the 500 will be added. Look at, is it clear? Please. Yes. Come on, guys, fast.
Yes,
Any
sir.
questions
Yes.
here? Next. Sir, can I use for each? Why not? You can. OBJ AL. Yes, everyone knows this for each. Yeah. Then every element you are trying to iterating one by one, right? Even can I use for loop? Yes, normal for loop you can use, for each you can try to use your wish. Size. See now, once you start writing, then automatically you get some more methods here. Right. Is it clear? Size. Then what will happen now? You can try to the size, right? Okay. Now al dot get I. So based on the index, we are trying to getting the values. Get method. I hope you understand. That. So this is the way you can try to work with this. Sir, I hope is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes.
Right. Next one. Sir, okay, fine, I got it. Then al dot So like this. Okay, now let me try to go for one more example. I'm showing you all. See, once you see these methods here one time, same methods you can apply for the linked list, same method you can apply for a vector. I'm not required to work hard. See, understand how I'm writing. That's enough. I hope you understand my point. Yes. Now, array list demo 1, right? Demo 2. Then observe that. Here I can write it. What I can write it. Array list. Array list like this. So can I try to add some more? Yes, why not? One more array list can we try to create? Yes, why not? You can create n number of array lists here. AL1. Now I can try to use AL. Then remember this point, AL dot add all. Add all, it means that you are trying to add AL1 like this. Add all, it means that yes, you are trying to add the array list like this. Right. So before adding, I want to check that the elements. AL, what elements you are having? AL1, what elements you are having? After adding, I want to know that. No doubt, you know that you can understand easily. Is the array list, AL, sorry, is the array list elements. Are you clear, everyone? Is the AL, is the AL1, is the add all. Just we are adding the elements here, nothing we are doing here great. Understand, please?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So methods are there, just I'm showing you, sir. Nothing is there here just to say that, especially. Now observe that. So next I want to use remove elements, sir. AL dot remove all elements. AL1. So what are elements you are having? The elements I want to remove it. Let's show the practically. So after just I'm practicing, sir. That's it. Remove all. Remove all, sir. Sorry. AL1. So remove all. We are using AL1. So remove all, it means that AL1, what are the elements you are having? Those elements, please try to remove from AL. From AL. Remaining elements only, just let's keep it. Okay. See, if only Shiva is there. Remove all if you're using, remove all if you're using, remove all elements, not actually remove all. Right. Once you're removing the element, what are the elements you're having, sir? See, AL1, 100, 200, 100, 200, right? This 100, 200, 100, 200. Remove these things. Only let's try to keep Shiva. Got it now, please? Is it clear? Common elements remove it, meaning is retain all. Retain all, just I'm giving AL1. Common elements, let's try to keep, remaining elements remove it. Common elements, let's try to keep, remaining elements remove it. That's it. What about retain all? Common elements, let's try to keep, remaining elements just remove it. Are you clear? That's it. Common elements keep and remaining element remove, retain all. So like this, we can try to work with a predefined methods, friends. I hope, is it clear? Yes or no? Guys, come on, give the response. I hope you understand.
Yes,
The
sir.
Yes.
same methods here, linked list. We are not required to work hard. Same methods, linked list. Just change the array list, use the linked list. That's what I told you. The starting itself is very easy understanding. This is not important. Only understanding important is then how to give the answers. Anyway, we try to use continuously this collection framework entire our Java sessions. Look at. Now, sir, we have one method name is called iterate method. Iterate method, iterate method, iterator, iterating the elements and stores inside the iterator interface. Okay, iterator is a predefined method. Iterator is a predefined method. Iterator is a predefined method. Retrieve the elements stores inside the iterator. Then while iterator interface having a method name is called has next method. Has next method. Now has next method. Next method has next method. Int it equal to next method. Next method has next method. Next method has next method. Elements is available or not. We can has next method is there or not. We have to check that. Has next method is available or not. We can check. Yes, if we can check, then it moves to forward. If it's true, enter inside the loop. If it is not true, it not entered inside the while loop. It means that when we are using iterator, iterating the elements of the array list stores inside the iterator. Iterator having a capability reading the data forward direction. And we can, even if you want, you can try to remove the elements. Yes. The next session, I'll try to talk about generics concept. Done. So I'll give you the single line, guys. Iterator interface having one method name is called even what is the method? Remove method also. Yes, we can remove it. Iterator having a capability reading the data in the forward direction, and we can remove the elements. Okay, next list iterator. We can read the data in the forward direction. We can read the data in the forward direction, and we can read the data backward direction also. This list iterator is available which interface? List interface. Which interface, sir? List interface. Okay. Has the next, same method, has the next method. Like this. The next, sir, I want to read the data backward direction. Can you do that, Shiva? Yes. If you want to do the, if you want to go for backward direction, can use has previous method. Good. So one of the important questions, that's what I'm highlighting this point. What are the iterator and list iterator? What is the difference? what is the difference between iterator interface, list iterator interface? What is the difference between iterator interface, list interface? Come on, guys. What is the difference between iterator and list iterator interface? See, look at now. Iterator interface, we can read the data in the forward direction. Yes. What about list iterator? Read the data forward direction and backward direction. That's it. And even you can remove the elements in between. Yes, everything is possible. List iterator available list interface. Are you clear, guys? Please. Yes. Are you clear? Come on, guys. I hope you understand. Sir, I hope you understand. Come on, guys, give the reply. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, so this is the same way you can try to work with a linked list. Same way you can try to work with vector. Okay. Okay, let me stop it here. And next session, first what I do is I will try to concentrate generics. Tomorrow session, first step, I'll try to concentrate generics. Sir, why should we go for generics? Collection framework is look like nice, right, Shiva? Then why should we have to go for generics? I will talk tomorrow then. What is generics? Why we have to go for generics? What are the disadvantages in the collection framework? Why people are preferring a generics? These points first we understand the first fresh mode tomorrow. Then after that, I'll show you then how to write the generic application linked list vector we can close, and we'll discuss set to data structure theoretical points also. How to give the answer, set, what is the set, how to give the answer, and all these things. Day after tomorrow, I will show you the set related programs. Then after set related, then we can go for the map theoretical points. Then after map, then we can go for the queue and date format like this. Are you clear now?
Yes, sir.
Right. Maybe one day if you require, then we'll take one more day for collections here. But collections, we have to spend good time. Right. Let's relax, guys. Any questions,
Excuse me.
please?
Yeah, sir, I have a question for this.
Please.
When I did the assignment, is not login is something issue, or is not supporting is something issue, or what happened is?
Can you show me?
I'll. Okay, just a second. Oh. Just a second. Oh. Sorry. I had. Oh. Sorry for that. This is for the green. This is request for the access.
Hmm?
Do you see my screen? I try to log in, is not supported.
What login here?
For this one.
No, that is RAR file, right? It should be RAR file should be extracted, friend. You downloaded open file. Click open file. Click open.
Okay.
Is there in the download folder? Just you can download the RAR WinRAR and you can extract it. It will be there. Okay.
This one.
Not like that. How can I control this one?
Yeah. Okay.
Give the reply.
Okay. Give to control. Yeah.
Can I?
Yeah.
Look at. I'll show you that. Don't have a RAR. Huh? Okay. Look at now. I'll show you that. See RAR file, right?
Yeah.
Click here. you can go for go to download folder.
Download folder. Okay.
In a system here, in a system, you can go for download folder.
Okay.
Then, yeah. Here, see how many times you downloaded. Got
Yeah.
it?
Yeah. I tried many times, but it's not working. That's why.
Not like that, yeah. It should be extracted. Extract it means that you require WinRAR file. WinRAR.
Okay.
I'll show you in my system. Look at. I'm taking
Okay.
control.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you see my system?
Yeah. I'll just a second.
Is a RAR file, a zip file. You know zip, right?
Yes.
You can download WinRAR software and you can extract it. You know, download WinRAR.
Can I stop recording this session?
Yeah, you can stop, sir. Now you can download WinRAR